Hello passionate gardener, welcome back to another exciting and helpful video. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of strawberries, especially tackling the task of replanting strawberry runners in the winter. It might be chilly outside, but it's perfect time to set the stage for thriving strawberries patches in the upcoming season. Before we get our hands dirty, let's understand the magic of strawberry runners. These are the offshoots that strawberries send out to propagate and create new plants. It's nature's way of ensuring the continuous growth of these delicious fruit plants. Now let's make sure we have equipment for this task. We need a bucket, we need strawberry runners, we need to choose the healthy ones from here, and we need soil. I'm using multi-purpose organic soil for my strawberry like well drainage soil. Creating the right environment for your strawberry runner is key. Start with the soil. So strawberry like well drained soil, and that's why I am using the compost for multi-purpose. I am filling up the bucket with compost. I am filling a 3-liter pot with soil to ensure that we have a perfect foundation for our new plant. As we get into the garden, it's important to choose healthy runners for replanting. Look for ones that are disease-free, have a strong root, and have leaves. These are the ones that will give you the best chance of success. And during the summer, you will be enjoying a lot of delicious strawberries from this plant. And indeed, the new runners will come from the same strawberry plant again. Now comes the exciting part of the planting, transplanting the runner. I did a good clean of the crown, removed all dead leaves, and planted the plant carefully into the soil and pressed the soils around for a strong hold. While I am replanting the other plants, I'll share some winter tips. Strawberry plants are hardy and they can easily tolerate -10 to -20 degrees Celsius. The crown should be safe, but if your area has constant frost weather, provide some mulching and provide protection against the frost. You could put an extra layer of straw. After frosting, even the plants survive a hard frost, but the plant could get damaged for this frost, which could make them slower to get growing in the spring, may reduce the quality of fruits as well. So take care of your strawberry plants from hard frost. And there you have it, the process of replanting strawberry runners in winter. I hope you found this guide helpful in preparing your strawberry patch for a beautiful harvest. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!